Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a supermarket in New York. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and a store staff member. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. How many items or less can you take to the express lane? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Welcome to your first big American supermarket, Mina.
Wow, it's huge. The doors are so wide and the ceiling is so high.
Yeah, everything is bigger here. Look at these carts at the entrance.
That cart is almost as big as my kitchen. Do I really need one that size?
Maybe not today. We can use a small basket. We're not buying much.
Good. A basket feels safer for me. I'm a little nervous.
Don't be. I come here every week. I'll show you how everything works.
Thanks. I really need a guide today.
Also, see this sign over there? It says Express Lane, 15 items or less.
Express lane? What does that mean? Is it a fast lane?
Something like that. I'll explain it later when we get to the checkout. It's easier to show you in person.
Okay, I'll wait. Oh, look at those apples over there.
The ones in the open boxes? Yeah, those apples don't come in a bag.
But they have no price tag on them. How do I know the price?
You weigh them yourself, or you let the machine weigh them at the register.
I have to weigh my own fruit? That's totally new for me.
Pretty common here. Don't worry. I'll show you step by step. One more thing. You brought a cloth bag from home. Why? A reusable bag. Most people bring one to the store. Plastic bags cost extra in New York.
Oh, like in Tokyo. That part is the same back home.
Yeah, the world is changing. It's better for the planet, too.
I see. Hey, why are some people pushing 2 carts?
Some families shop for the whole week or even the whole month here.
1 month of food at one time? Wow.
Yeah, many people drive here so they can carry a lot.
That makes sense. New York is kind of a car town in some places.
Outside Manhattan, yes. Now where do we start?
I want to see the fruit first. Apples sound nice.
Let's start with fruit. The produce section is right there.
Look at all these bananas. Why are some greener than others?
Green ones last longer at home. Yellow ones are ready to eat today.
Smart. I'll take the yellow ones. I want to eat one tonight.
Bananas are popular here. Many Americans eat one for breakfast.
Same in Japan. They are quick and easy.
Good choice. Now the apples. Look at this small sticker on the skin.
It has a number on it. 4016?
That's the PLU code. 4 digits means a regular apple.
PLU? What does that stand for?
Price lookup. The number tells the machine what fruit it is.
And what about 5 digits?
5 digits starting with 9 means organic. So 94016 is organic.
Oh, just one number tells you so much?
Yes, The cashier or the self-checkout machine reads that number.
That's a clever system. We don't really do that in Japan.
It's used in many countries. Once you know it, it's quick and clear.
How many apples should I take today?
Maybe 3. Try one this week and decide if you like them.
Okay, 3 apples and 4 bananas. That's enough fruit for 1 week.
Sounds good. Hey, by the way, I want to buy some wine too. Is that okay?
Wine? You drink wine on a weekday?
Just a small bottle for tonight. I cooked pasta yesterday, but pasta is sad without wine.
Lonely pasta. That's such a sad story.
Very sad. So the wine section is on the other side of the store.
Okay, let's go. You first. I want to see how you choose.
Sure. By the way, look at the bottom of the apples.
There's a small mist coming out. Is that water?
Yes, the store sprays water to keep the fruit fresh.
That's nice. The smell is so fresh here.
Many big stores do this in America.
I'll remember that. Okay, the wine section?
After the apples, let's go straight there.
Wow, there are so many bottles here. How do you even choose?
I usually check 3 things: country, type, and price.
Country, like France or Italy?
Yeah, or California. Some are from Chile, Argentina, or Australia. The label tells you.
That's a lot of countries. What about the type?
Red, white, or rosé. For pasta with tomato sauce, I usually like a red wine that is not too strong.
Why not too strong?
It is good with tomato sauce. The taste matches well.
I see. And the price?
Around $12 to $15 is fine for me on a weekday.
That sounds reasonable. What does this label say right here?
Italian red wine, $12.99. Good price.
Let me see the bottle. Yeah, that's clear.
I'll take this one. By the way, I have my ID, so I'm fine at the register.
I won't buy any wine. I'm 21 back home, but I have no ID with me today.
Smart. They will ask, even if you look young or old. Better not buy it today.
Really? Even older people get asked?
Yes, anyone. The legal age here is 21, and the store has to check.
Wow, that's strict.
It's the law. They can lose their license if they don't check.
Wow. Okay. So you always carry your passport?
A passport or a driver's license. I have my passport with me today.
Got it. Hey, why are the wine bottles in this special area, not on a normal shelf?
Good question. In some states, you can only sell wine in special stores.
Really? So this store is lucky?
New York lets supermarkets sell beer and wine, but not strong drinks like whiskey.
So no whiskey here.
No whiskey in supermarkets. You go to a special store for strong drinks.
Different rules in every state. America is big.
Very big. Should we head to the checkout now?
Yes, let's go. I want to see this self-checkout.
Time to teach you. Follow me. This is the self-checkout area. Pick any open machine.
This one looks free. Now what do I do?
Tap the screen. Choose Start. Then scan each item one by one.
So I just put the barcode under the red light?
Right. Listen for the beep. Then place the item on this side, the bagging area.
Okay. Beep, beep. The milk and the snacks are easy.
Now the bananas. Wait, no barcode on them.
Right, no sticker on these.
For loose fruit, you press Look Up Item on the screen. Then type the PLU code.
4011 for the bananas. Done.
Now, place them on the scale. The screen reads the weight and the price.
£1 23 cents. So cheap.
Welcome to America. Now, the apples.
4016. 3 apples on the scale.
Perfect. You did it all by yourself.
Hey, this feels faster than waiting in the express lane over there.
That's the idea. Express lane is for 15 items or less, but the line can still get long.
So self-checkout wins today.
Often, yes, but you have to scan everything carefully.
Got it. What's this red light flashing?
Oh, careful. The bagging area has a weight sensor.
A sensor? For what?
If you put a wrong item on it, the screen says, "Unexpected item in bagging area." It just means, "Wrong item here."
That's a funny name for an error.
It's a very famous error. Many people complain about it.
Got it. Hey, what if I make a mistake and scan something twice?
You can press Remove Item on the screen. The staff may need to approve it.
So I can't just do it alone?
For some changes, yes. The system is careful with money.
That's fair. So if my bag is too heavy, the machine thinks something is wrong?
Yes, sometimes. Or if the weight is too light, it also stops.
Oh, that sounds tricky.
A little, but after 1 or 2 visits, it becomes easy.
I hope so. Where is the milk again?
The milk, it's in the back, in the cold section.
Oh, I forgot the milk. Be right back.
Okay, I'll keep scanning the wine.
Don't move from this machine, okay?
I won't. Go quickly. Wine, last item. Beep. Oh, the screen stopped. It's red now.
Hi there. The screen says, "Please wait for assistance." Are you buying wine today?
Yes, just 1 bottle for tonight.
I'll need to see your ID, please. Just a quick check.
Sure. Here is my passport.
Thank you. Let me check the date of birth.
Take your time. No rush.
Born in 2000, so you are over 21. That's good.
Yeah, 25 now. Time goes fast.
It really does. I'll tap the Approve button on the screen for you.
Thanks. Quick question. Do you check everyone for alcohol?
Yes, every single customer. The store policy is to check, no matter how old they look.
Even if someone clearly looks 50?
Even then, it's also the state law. We can lose our license if we miss 1 customer.
Wow, that's serious.
It is, so we just ask everyone, and most people understand.
So even my grandfather would get checked.
Yes, even him. I once asked a man with white hair, and he laughed and said, "Thank you for asking."
Nice story. He was not angry.
Most people do. They know it's our job, not personal.
That makes sense. By the way, what happens if someone forgets their ID?
We have to say no, even if they bought the same wine here last week.
Wow, no exceptions?
No exceptions. The law is the law.
Fair enough. Thanks for explaining everything.
My pleasure. The screen is open now. You can finish your order.
Got it. One more question, if you have time.
Sure, go ahead.
Is the rule the same for beer? My friend asked me last week.
Yes, same rule. Beer, wine, or any alcohol. We check the ID for everyone.
That's clear. Thanks for your patience.
No problem. Enjoy your wine tonight.
Thanks again. Have a good day.
Got it. 1 bottle of milk. Sorry I took so long to find it.
No problem at all. I just finished the wine part.
The lady checked my ID.
Oh, like you said before? Was it a long check?
No, very quick. Just my passport and one tap on the screen.
Good. So now what's next?
Just scan the milk and we're done with the items.
Beep. Done. Total, please?
The screen shows $28.57. Pretty good for everything.
How do I pay? Cash? Card?
Card or Apple Pay is faster. Just touch the reader with your phone.
Touch. Beep. The screen says approved. That was easy.
Easy, right? Now, do you want a plastic bag for 5 cents or use my reusable bag?
Your bag, please. No need for a plastic one today.
Good choice. New York charges 5 cents for plastic bags now. Many stores don't even offer them.
Yes, bring your own bag is the best way.
Exactly. It saves money and helps the planet.
My grandmother does the same in Japan.
Smart grandma. Okay, receipt printed. Done.
Let's head out. Where is the exit?
It's past the customer service desk over there.
Wait, the door checks our receipt?
Sometimes. Today they just let us go.
Honestly, today I did so many things for the first time. Big carts, PLU codes, ID checks, self-checkout, paid bags.
How was it? Too much?
Fun, actually. I learned a lot in just one trip.
That's the best kind of shopping. Let's go home and eat.
With your lonely pasta wine?
Not lonely anymore. We have apples, bananas, and milk now.
A small dinner, but a happy one.
Next time, you bring your reusable bag, okay?
I will. And I'll remember the PLU code for apples.
4016. You're a fast learner.
I had a good teacher today. Thanks, Sam.
Anytime. Welcome to New York shopping.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. How many items or less can you take to the express lane? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoy these videos and would like to support the channel, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye!